Stock number 40505B. It's a 2016 Infiniti QX50. It does have a key, it does not start. As you can see, it's got front end damage. Headlights are gone, radiator core support's bent, radiator's bent, the hood's no good. Both headlights on both sides are gone. Hood's damaged, it's no good. Passenger side fender's no good. You can see right here on the door, it's got like dents from the door opening. Let's see. Rear bumper's no good. See all the X's. It's damaged over here. Right here on the quarter panel's got a surface scratch. Front fender right there is no good. The driver and the passenger roof airbags are deployed. The driver and the passenger seat airbags are deployed. The steering wheel airbags deployed. The driver and the passenger seat belts are locked. It does have a key. It does not start. It does have a sunroof. The glove box. still don't really open. Again, this is stock number 40505B. It is a 2016 Infiniti QX50. It does have a key, it does not start.